your this each problem homework first. Okay.
It's number 1.
Yeah. 妈妈只是想一下，你帮他是因为我看到他没有做他没有用 model， 可能他在他的脑海里面用了，是吗？
我不知道啊，
我跟那个哥哥 education 老师说了。
你是怎么做的？我想要知道。
知道。
啊？你不知道
？So 其实很重要呢。
This is example 1. Where is it?
老师，这个是哪一个？等一下。
这是
the wrong one.
这个是那个很多题的。我现在教你是很多题的。So Darius, I don't see any models drawn by you when you do these questions.
为什么你没有做 model 呢？
Yes.
This one?
Yeah, 1. No, there is no. There is no model. Then 2, no model. 3, no model. Yeah, mostly no model. Why?
为什么？
You need to know how to draw the model. Then only you can get the questions correctly most of the time.
听懂了没有
This is a homework.
？Yeah, this is the homework. 老师要跟你一起改。
Yeah. But Darius, so why didn't you draw the model? Or you are not so sure about the model?
I'm not so sure.
Okay, good. So good that I can hear that you are not so sure. Then today we are going to have the second lesson on how to draw the model. All right. So let's start with the first question. Are you ready?
可以吗？
Okay.
Okay, good. So today I will let you draw the model as well together with me. Ready?
OK。
Okay, good. So question 1. Your answer might be correct, but without the model, I don't know how you do it. So you still have to draw the model. All right. Okay. Can you see the question 1? Is it big enough?
Question 1 can you see?
No.
Huh?
I mean, yes.
Okay. Big enough?
Get it.
Right. So, okay. Every time you are going to have either each problem or some other problems, right? So you have to know how to draw the model. So how you draw the model? You choose the rectangle, all right, to represent something. Okay, like you draw a rectangle. Okay, which
You can draw. I want to draw.
你不要动。
Let me do it first. So when I say it's your turn, then you can do it. All right. Okay, good. So you start with this rectangle first. Okay, so this rectangle is for, can you read? Tom is 9 years old now. Yes. So this is for Tom.
Is 37 years old.
Okay,
10
good.
years later.
So
How much?
yeah, hold on. So Tom is 9 years. So probably you can use this block. So this is 9 years. Okay, this is 9 years, right? Next, his sister is 37. So for 37, you have to draw a longer block. Okay, you have to draw a longer, much longer. Okay, so it looks like I need to zoom in a little bit. Like I need to make it smaller so that I have space later on. So 9 years, probably this is for Tom, 9 years. Okay, then 37, longer than 9 years. So probably you can choose another color. Okay, which color you want? Any preference?
I know.
Yeah.
Red.
Red. Okay, good. So I will choose red for his sister. So his sister
Your
is
mouth is also red. Just now.
is so his sister is 37. So I write down 37 years old here. All right. Okay. So now it comes the most important part. So what it says 10 years later. Can you see 10 years later?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so 10 years later means you have to add another block, which is 10 years later. So you have to add another block. What color you want? Any preference for 10 years later?
I know.
What color you want?
Black. Wait.
Okay, if you can't choose the color, I will choose orange.
I see black. I see black.
Oh, black.
I
Okay, let's choose black. So black is 10. So you put to Tom because 10 years later means Tom will grow 10 years. So that's why I put this 10 years right after Tom. At the same time, I need to put the 10 years for his sister as well because both of them, they will grow together. That's the key concept. So this is 10. This is 10. All right. So now you
You
can
cannot see.
you cannot see which one.
你怎么不可以看？
It's so black.
不然就是不然
One can.
But the 10 I have written it on top so that it's easier for you to see.
Up.
All right. Yeah, like you say, if you choose black color, I can't write anything inside the block because you can't see anything. You're right. Okay. So the key concept is Tom will grow 10 years older. Okay, his sister will also grow 10 years older. So therefore, you can actually do the question. So the question asks for how much younger is Tom than his sister? So what's the difference, right? What's the difference? Okay, how much younger means the difference. Do you know they are asking for the difference?
Yeah.
So now, can I ask? 10
Different
years-
means minus.
Yeah, minus. Yes, very good. So you need to use minus. So you need to find out what is Tom's age after 10 years. So you can see 9 years plus 10 is 9 years plus 10
It's
years,
19.
19 for Tom. And then what about sister?
I know.
Yes,
37 plus 10 equal to 47.
very good. So the difference is 47 minus 19, which is, I will leave it to you.
Which is
Why take so long? 28.
what? So easy, so hard.
Okay. So what I observe from your work, right? What I observe from your work is you see 37 minus 9 is equal to 28. I'm not saying this is wrong. Okay, probably you use another concept like, oh, they grow 10 years late, they grow 10 years later, but their difference is always the same. Probably you can have this argument, but I think it's better that you use this approach. Okay, use the 47 years old minus the 19 years old after 10 years later. Okay, and the most important thing, the model is here. So for the next question, I will let you draw the model.
The highlighter.
Yeah, okay. I will change the highlighter for the next slide. So are you ready to take the challenge for the next question to draw the model? Are you ready?
No.
Yes,
Why not? Why not?
you can do it. You can do
Yeah,
it.
you can do it.
Fine.
Yes. Okay, I will give you the second question and you're going to draw the
Okay,
model.
second question, you do.
How hard is it?
Okay, I will let you do it here. So you don't have to do it. If you can, you can use your finger to draw the block and all. Okay, I will leave it to you. Your turn.
Wait, let me take out my Apple Pencil.
I think you can use a finger. Just now you draw a very good rectangle with your finger. Maybe your Apple
Yeah, that
Pencil doesn't have much.
We go. Oh, fine.
Nice, but I think it's too big.
Okay, so you can circle a little bit.
Huh?
8 years old only. Okay,
Wait.
no
Let me
problem.
do properly.
Yeah, do it slowly. Like 8 years old. Parker first.
Okay.
Ah.
所以你要不要写 8 years old？
Yeah, then you have to write down 8 years old inside the block.
Easy. I don't need to use the magical pencil.
Okay, I will help you out. Okay, I will help you out.
Wait, no.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. Okay, you do it yourself. Okay.
Hello, 8.
Mm.
Show the keyboard.
Are you writing?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
I'm trying to make something.
Okay.
Because I need to change the English Singapore one. Okay.
Okay.
8.
No.
No. You have to choose.
What? How you
Yes.
can see?
Now it's 8. Yes. Now it's 8. Yes. Then you need to write down that is Parker.
I write Pila.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yes, you can. Go ahead. As long as you know.
P.
No, you don't write 8P. You write the 8 inside the block and then the P on top. So people understand. If you write 8P like this, I don't understand what's 8P.
Okay, I will write properly.
Do you want me to help you a little bit?
No.
Oops.
Oh,
Do you want me to help you a little bit so that
No,
oh,
I can do it myself.
Oh yeah. So another important thing,
Wait.
you need to draw something that people understand. All right.
老师不是说 8 years old 放在框
Yeah.
框里咯？
Inside the block is easier. It's easier for people to understand. Okay, so probably Parker, you can put it on top, but the 8 you put it inside so people understand easier. All right. Okay, good. So continue. Next. So you will do a better job next time. Okay. Next, father, 39.
Okay. Super Sing.
Put it below. Yes. But if you draw it so big, right? Later, 3 years ago, I'm not sure if you have space. Yeah. So try to manage your space. All right.
Wait, I need to do properly. Wait,
Yep. Good. This is good. This is not 8. No, this is not 8. Father. You are doing for father.
Wait.
Yeah. Yes. Nice. You don't have to delete everything.
I
好了，可以
accidentally
了。
put it.
然后写 father。
No. I forgot I accidentally. I still using the rectangle. Father.
Yeah, father, the name is on top. Okay, very good. Then you put the number inside the box. Okay, 39. Yeah. Okay, good. So now, 3 years ago. How come your D is out of the box by so much?
Because I accidentally sleep.
Okay, so can you do a better job because we are going to draw
Let
on.
me cancel it.
你可以
Yeah, nice. Okay, good. So now, 3 years ago, what's the meaning of 3 years ago?
3 years ago means minus. Means I go back.
Go back, yes. So how do you represent go back in the block here?
39.
go back。老师说
No,
怎么
8 minus
The model.
3.
No, okay. So I understand that. Okay, you say 8 minus 3, and then you take 39 minus 3, right? But this is the calculation. This is the calculation part. But I say, how do you represent in the model? How do you draw the model like 3 years ago? Okay.
This is how to draw the model.
So you are not so sure, right? Okay, good. So I will make use of your drawing, which is I will make use of your drawing. Then you get to do it. Okay, like how do you represent 3 years ago?
I'm coloring the what you just now
？3
did.
years ago，老师问你怎么样？
Yeah. Now
你
you
不
are
用这样
adding.
子，
Darius, you are
对
adding.
Oh,
现在是
adding. Sorry.
Yeah.
Let me erase.
You are adding, that means you're not you are not doing minus. I can see that you are adding to it. How do you represent
你说
3 years
了
ago?
3 years ago 怎么？
8 minus 3 equals
Okay.
老师问你
9.
怎么
Yep.
画在这儿？
This is the calculation. Yeah. So you need to draw the model out. Okay, let me help you a little bit.
I don't know how to do the model.
Okay, don't worry. So just now we do 10 years later. So now we do 3 years ago. So like you will face 3 years later. Now we talk about 3 years ago. Okay. So I have made use of, okay, let me make use of your work. I need to erase your work first. Okay. So please pardon me for erase your work. All right, let me erase your work first. Okay, good. Your work is here. So you have your 8 years old for Parker, father 39 years old. So now you need to add a block to it. But this block, right, you don't add to the end. You do, probably you want to do it here. Like you put, probably this is 3. And then you are going to use maybe white color, or you can use black color. You can use black color. Okay. So 3 years ago is this black block. And you're going to use the same thing here. Because both of them, they will go back 3 years. So what you need to focus on is here, this part. Just the, okay, I use a different color. So now all you need to focus on is this part. Okay, the red part. Okay.
Why you
And then for the,
do it? We cannot do it.
because I
And do the red one.
the red one, yeah, you can, okay. So once you have
你不要
inserted this,
挑颜色。
once you have inserted this 3 years, this 3 years block, yep, you can do it. Thanks. So once you have inserted this 3 years block, so that's the way you tell people, oh yes, the red one here, okay, the red you paint here is going to be Parker's age 3 years ago. So similarly, for the father, you also shade the below, then that is going to be the model you draw for.
I choose the green color for the father.
It's okay. You can choose different colors, but you need to be consistent. Okay. So Parker red, and then father is going to be green. All right. So now all you need to find out is the red part and the green part. Okay. So not only you need to know how to do the calculation, you also need to know how to draw the model. So next time, understand?
你能不能不要再画了？我
What?
Okay.
I'm almost done.
Okay. So give you a few more seconds. All right.
好了，enough 了。
Okay.
够了哈，汉语。
Okay, I'm done.
Good. Okay, good. So you will find that what? You will find that this is 8 minus 3, right? So the red one is 8 minus 3. So the green one will be 30. Okay, 39, right? 39 minus 3. If I remember the 39 correctly. So therefore you get 5 here, and then you get 36 here. So the difference is 36 minus 5. If they ask for the difference. Okay. So yeah, good. Thanks. So for the calculation part, right? I don't think you have problem, but for the model, I think you need to keep using the model. All right. So good. Next. Okay.
Okay, but it's gonna be very
Okay. So let's take a look at the other question. Okay. So I will erase your handwriting first.
No, I will do it. I will do it.
你做什么？老师直接做
No, rubbish. Clear.
Oh. Okay, good. I can do it much faster. That's why I want to help you out. Okay. Okay. I don't want to do the question 3 because it's pretty easy. Let's do the 5.
No.
Let's do 5. And with model. All right, with model.
What?
为什么
I
都
will
啊？自己
I will put it
Gonna
here.
do the model.
Okay. Your turn. I think this time round you are much better.
But you just don't help me, so you,
好了，老师啊，你赶快。
I draw the skip game.
Now it's your turn.
你读题了没有？
So this is who? I'm supposed to see Linda first.
你要写他的名字在。
6 years old.
Daddy.
Linda. And then a number you probably want to write much clearer so that you don't
Yes.
confuse yourself. Linda is good, but the age.
Yes. I know.
Good that you know.
What the hell? 6.
Yeah, I think 6 is good enough because as long as you understand, then it's good enough.
Okay.
Okay, good. Next, 4 years later. How do you do 4 years later?
4 years later, that means pass.
Yeah, how do you do 4 years later?
Dun, dun,
How do you draw the model? Yeah, you are on the right track. How do you do 4 years later?
4 years later?
Show
4
it.
years later?
怎么办？你画那么长吗 ？4 years later。
Yes.
Okay, so
Because it's a lot. Wait.
yeah, waiting for you.
I'll be raising it.
你这个把它 cancel 掉，然后重新画。 你
Maybe
可以把它缩小吗？
I got it.
Yep, good. Go ahead.
This one you basically erase.
你直接把它 delete 掉。再
妈妈
delete。
No.
妈妈，我怕你底下气爆炸了，你就控制它不走来走去就好了，就让它发挥它的这些东西吧。Hello？
那你就 delete 掉呗。
What?
You're 4 years old? 4 years later?
老师他不可以 delay， 你可以帮他 delay。
我可以。Just let me know, right? Just let me know so that I can help you. Okay? You need to choose.
重新画。
Okay? I don't need your music. Okay? Okay, if this block is 6, right? Okay, if this block is 6, how can this block be 4? You look at that. You look at the size.
6 plus 4.
But your this block, right, is so much bigger than the 6. Your 4 years old block is bigger than the 6. It does not make sense. So you have to like draw something that makes sense, right? Now it makes sense. Yeah, the 6 years old is smaller than the 4 years old. Okay, good. Now it says what? Linda's age will be the same as Jack's current age. So Jack, can you draw Jack out?
Jack,
Same
we have a no way. We cannot
Same
draw.
as Jack.
No.
Yeah, same as Jack now. Okay, so are you ready to draw Jack's age now?
I need to write. I haven't know yet.
No need. Okay. You need to write Jack's name first. And then now you need to draw
Okay.
Jack's age with the model. Yep. Ready to draw Jack's model?
We haven't write it properly.
Yeah, I agree. It's a bit hard for you. Yeah, to draw. So you are doing the calculation. 6 plus 4 is 10, right? But the model, you need to draw the model here. So this is the calculation
Yes.
part, 10. But I want you to draw the model out for Jack.
Yeah, this is the model.
哎，老师让你放 model
Here.
在这儿。
But the above one is linter, by the way. Okay, so yeah, I think the idea is there. So something I want to tell you is you need to align it properly, okay? Meaning what? Okay, let me help you a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. So you need to, so since, wait, why you cancel it?
I want to see how you write.
Okay, so just now you were doing this, right?
Yeah.
And then you add, okay, let me just make it smaller. So this is 6.
This is 4.
By the way, I can make use of
This is
your
the
work.
barrel.
You can make use of your work, but since you already erased it.
Choose black, choose black. Yeah,
Okay,
I cannot
good.
see. Colorblind.
So 6 and 4.
I'm colorblind.
Okay. So another way you can also write linter here. Okay. Then after that, you need to draw Jack, right? So I write Jack here. Okay, there is this very important thing you need to take note. The important thing is what? The important thing is you need to start from the same point. End at the same point. Okay, I pack them together first. So you need to start at the same point. What do I mean by that? Start at the same point means here. You need to start at the same point. Okay? Not like this. Okay? Cannot put it like to the right. You also cannot put it to the left. Must start from the same point. I call it a line. A line. Okay? A line means start from the same point. And then of course end at the same point. Okay? Can you see? I end at the same point. Because it says same. So therefore, your this is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Are you clear? Are you clear? That I think you have no problem. I think you have no problem doing the calculation. But for the model, right? I think you still have the problem to do the model. By the way, you need to know how to do the model, because when you do harder questions, right, the model will help you simplify your thought process. Okay? Can? Okay. Harder question. The star one. You star it, right?
No.
So why you star it?
No.
Tell me why you star it. Why do you star this question?
This is my idea.
So you star it because?
Oh, this is my one because I don't know how to do.
Okay, good. Like, so start with the model. Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Leave it to you. I
你可以不要讲话吗？
focus. Yeah, focus. Please focus.
Sorry.
Your 8 is so small this time round. I think you should give a bigger box. Yeah.
你老师，他画的时候，我顺便问一下你，就是因为我要给他买那个就是考试试题了嘛，就是姐姐以前也刷题嘛，他的那个数学，你觉得我应该给他买几年级的让他做呢？
他是二年级，我觉得他2年级没有问题了。
要给他换去3年级的吗？
你给他做3年级，他就做3年级
No No，一年级
对他考试好像没有什么帮助，对不对？
一年级不要让，
对啊，就给他就自己刷2年级的就好了，对吗？
嗯，
我考
对咯，
的
因为毕竟他考试也是2年级嘛。
白。
Okay, so this is for Anna.
喂，
So where is the 8 years? I don't see the 8 years.
Yeah, I know. Try to write.
Okay, good. Then now, her age in 4 years. What's the meaning of 4 years?
4 years means in front plus.
In 4 years means 4 years later. Okay, 4 years later. So how do you do 4 years later?
4 years later 怎么做？
Plus.
Yeah. So show it in the model. So your calculation is correct.
Wait, I need to do something. I need to write my computer.
哎呦，
哎呦什么？哎呦。Wee wee.
Waiting for you to do the 4 years later.
I know.
So where do you write the 4?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. So this time you are correct.
Rachel,
This is 8. This is 4. Okay. And 8 is bigger than 4. So the 8 block, okay, the block for 8 is bigger than the block for 4 or longer. Okay. So this time, very good. Even though the size is a bit different, it's okay. Okay, next. Same as Rachel's age 3 years ago. So that means Rachel, what is Rachel's age 3 years ago?
Rachel is
3 years ago.
3 years ago means go back.
Yeah, never mind. But you need to tell me. So this her age is 4 years. In 4 years is same as Rachel's age. So Rachel's age, which is, how do you draw Rachel's age now?
Okay, I will do it.
Yeah, do it. Draw Rachel's out.
Wait, sorry, someone please. Eraser. Erase. I'm tired.
By the way, it says same as Rachel's age. Huh? So how do you draw the Rachel's age? Your block doesn't seem right. Your block here doesn't seem right.
I know.
It has to be same as Rachel's age. Same means what?
Same means must together.
Same means not together. Same means must be the same. If you're here 8 plus 4 is 12.
I know.
So you must draw the same.
I know the answer.
You know the answer, please do it then.
8 plus 3.
No. Wait. 8 plus 4. I'm talking about this.
I mean, oh, sorry, 8 plus 4.
Yes.
Because I didn't properly. 8
Yeah.
plus 4 equals to 12.
Yep. So how do you do 12 out?
12 minus 3.
No. Wait. We do step by step. I asked you to draw. I'm not looking for the calculation. I don't think you have problem with calculation, but your problem is with the model. And you can't draw the model, then
I got
let me help you out for Rachel.
Not doing it.
Where's Rachel?
Oh, color.
It's not easy, for you.
Yeah, very hard.
Yeah, never mind. So let me help you out a little bit for the drawing part. Okay, don't erase yours. I can make use of your work
I'm waiting.
since your work is half there already. Okay, good. So I will erase your handwriting so that I use the correct one. You see,
What?
this is this is Anna. Okay, I already copy your thing out here already. So this is Anna's model, all right? So the question says, Anna's 4 years later age is the same as, what's the name? Same as Rachel. Okay, good. Same as Rachel. So you need to get to Rachel. Same as Rachel means same. So like I say, must start from the same point. Must start from the same point, end at the same point. Okay. So can you see I start at the same point, which is here. Okay, start here, end here. Right? So this will be what? This will be Rachel. Okay, you can put it on the left, or let me follow your convention. So I just write it on top. So I need to move this down a little bit. So I write it on top. So this is Rachel. Okay, and then this is 8 plus 4, which is 12 years. Right? Okay. So but this 12 years is 3 years ago for Rachel, meaning Rachel's age now is, so 3 years ago, so Rachel must add back 3 years. So must add these 3 years. Okay. Must add 3 years to get now. Okay, so therefore this 12 plus 3 is 15 years. This is now. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, for questions like this, the most important thing is you need to gather all the blocks so that you just play with the blocks. Okay. All right. So I can understand it's a bit hard to do it. It's a bit hard for you because I think it's the first time you start drawing all these, right? And then especially you need to do it on a Zoom, which is not very friendly to you, right? So I will give you some time, yeah, to adjust, to adapt. Okay, so therefore you need to use 12 plus 3, which is 15. That's Rachel's age now. Okay, good. Let's go for harder questions, and then we will go to your
No. Can we do the time?
time. Time what?
Yeah.
What time?
Time what?
The times.
Times. You mean 3
Yeah,
times?
the x1 4 times 3 啦。
Okay.
还要做计算题，不用了。
Oh, okay, good.
No.
So I will choose one. I will choose one question that involves times. Okay. Since you want times, I will give you a question that involves times. All right. Okay, good. I think your test has that question. 这个是错 Yeah.
Wait. One got wrong because it's the 11 minus 1. I was wrong. So
Yeah.
we did correction.
Yeah. This is the times one. Yes, I find one already. You need to use times. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I shouldn't.
Oh, this is easy.
I shouldn't tell you. I shouldn't tell you. You need to use times. I should just keep quiet. I give you the Okay, go ahead. Yes. Do the model. The model is Yep, question 3. I shouldn't tell you need to use times
Okay.
because I should let you do it first.
Back.
Darius, maybe you need to use divide or minus. I'm not sure.
We need to use divide.
Model, yes. Start with the model first.
32.
32.
1 unit.
Hold on. What?
Another
I can't read. I can't read your handwriting. You need to write it better.
I need you. Okay. I need you to do something.
Can you write it just slightly better so that I can read?
Now I can use the text. I'm not drawing anything. I need to show the keyboard. 32. Written.
Okay, so this block is 32. Okay.
1 unit.
Why you need 1 unit? I don't understand that.
The teacher always need to do this one.
Oh,
This
really?
is the model. This is
Okay.
the model.
Okay, I'll let you finish first. Then later you explain to me.
And so the 1 unit, I need to start again.
No need. There is a better way. Just undo if you know.
If 1 unit. Done. Another 1 unit. Another 1 unit. Another 1 unit.
But
I'm
your
done.
okay, you look at your these boxes. All the 1 units, they are so different from each other. While they are supposed to be the same, huh?
One way better drawing.
So probably next time you can use copy and paste so that all of them are the same. But anyway,
I cannot do that. It's very hard. It's very hard. Cannot do copy and paste.
Yeah, never mind. Okay, good. So how? So how now? What's that?
32 divide equals
啊，你写的是什么？32怎么了？
divide.
Divide by?
Wait, let me write properly.
You see, you can't even read that.
32 divided by 4 equals to 8.
Why divide by 4? Why not 6? Why not 5?
Cannot, because you don't count the number 5.
Okay, I think your calculation is correct, but your model is slightly wrong. Okay, so let me correct your model. Okay, good. All right.
Bad.
I've already gotten your model here, so I can erase your handwriting. Actually, if you understand the model, and then I think I'm not sure if you memorize the answer. That's why you end up with this. Because your model doesn't look like 32 divided by 4 to me. All right?
I copy my own answer and then I show you my answer.
No, your answer is correct. Your calculation answer is correct. But your drawing
And draw the model from the book and then I will show you.
I think your model is wrong. Okay, so let me just do it my way. Let me just do it my way, and then hopefully you can understand. Okay. Okay, your work is above here already. So now let me do it my way. So later you know, okay, what's the difference? All right. Okay. So you have this 32 years from now. That means 32 years from now means what? Means 32 years later. So that's the meaning. 32 years later. Okay. So Kenny will be 5 times as old as he is today. So you are right. You are right. So you need to get 5 unit out because 5 times, so you need to get 5 times 5 unit out. So 1, 2,
小公主为了吃
咦
的是她这里昂飞出了
can you see that? Can you see that all of them are about the same size? That's how you use. No,
Can you see?
over here, they are all of the same. They are all of the same size because I use copy and paste. Okay. So next time when I meet you, I will let you know how you can actually.
Okay.
Okay. So next time when I meet you, are you listening? Okay. So next time when I meet you, I will teach you how you use copy and paste. So all of them are the same. So like you say, yes, you have
In
to.
Zoom meeting, I cannot do it.
Never mind, I will show you. I will guide you how to use Zoom also. So like you say, this is 1U, this is 1U, 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 and 1U. So this is for Kenny. Because Kenny will be 5 times O, right? Right? 5 times means 5U. Okay? And then Kenny will be 5 times as old as he is today. So Kenny is actually 1U. So therefore, Kenny is 1U now. Okay? So this is Kenny now. This is the Kenny now. The above one is Kenny 32 years later.
Kenny more like candy.
Okay? So let me just move it a little bit below. Okay? You must align it. Align it means start from the same place. Okay? Same place. Okay, so this is the Kenny 32 years later, which is 5 times of himself. So this is the Kenny now. So therefore, 32 years later means which part? Which this part? I'm going to use different color. So I use black. Okay. So that means for this question, Kenny now is 1U. Okay. After 32 years, after this 32 years, okay, Kenny will be 5 times. 5 times. So therefore, now you look at this model. Can you see that the 4 boxes is equal to 32 years.
Yes.
That's why one box is 32 divided by 4. That is why you take 32 divided by 4, which is 8. So one box is 8. Okay. Now, what is his age in 2 years? So you have to use 8 plus 2, which is 10. Okay. All right. So that's how you make use of the model. Of course, you can want to, if you want to use the model. So probably you can draw it below. Okay. How? This. So you put it below. This is 1U. And then after that, 2 years. In 2 years means 2 years later. So you just insert a 2 years later into it. Okay. So you change the color to, let me use orange. Okay. So this will be Kenny 2 years later. This is Kenny 2 years later. All right. So this is the this whole thing is the model you are supposed to draw out. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So since you say yes, I'm going to give you a question.
I'm not clear.
Myself.
No.
By myself.
No.
I'm going to give you
No.
whether you are clear or not. I will give you the question now. So I will say Darius.
Not clear.
Yeah.
Darius. If
Ariu.
Darius is 6 times.
No, I'm not 6 times. 7 times.
Oh, okay. Then never mind. Then I use Daryl. Okay. Is 6 times as old as he is now. Okay. In how many, let me see. 6 times. In 35 years. Okay. Okay, yes. Then what is Daryl? Actually, Daryl is this. Daryl's age. What is Daryl's age now? Okay, good. How do you draw the model for this question? I can put it in front. Okay, can you see the question? So in 35 years, Daryl is 6 times as old as he's now. So what is Daryl's age now? Yes.
Easy.
Go ahead.
35.
Show me the model. Show me the model.
No.
No,
Yeah.
no model.
Yes, I got no bother. I only got calculation.
Then you show me the calculation on the side here. Okay, you show me the calculation on the side. Yeah, good.
I cannot do. I got no space. Let me start.
Give you the space here. Okay, the
And delete. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Do it here. You need to write it smaller so that minus 35 minus 6 plus. That means you don't understand yet.
Times.
哎，你读题了没有，大叔？
读了。
读大概分出来。
他读了我听。
你基本上看来走了。对。
Wait. Let me wait.
So you see, it's hard to do this question without using the model, because once without the model, you don't understand the question much.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Leave it to you. Okay, good attempt. Your first and the second and the fourth one is good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 times. Good. Then how?
Okay, you write 1 unit. 1. So hard to press the button.
Cool down. Your face is so red already. Cool down.
Make it bigger.
You use the blue. You use blue color, and then you use blue color for the box, so everything gets mixed together, and I can't read, and you also cannot read. This time you see, you do a much better job. Yeah, about the same size.
Color. Let me check color.
Yeah. So now you use.
Oh, sorry. I'm using square.
Yeah. You need to write 1 unit now. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times. Okay, good.
Unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit.
Okay, good. Then this is okay. What is this then? You need to label, meaning like tell people what is this thing.
I know the 1 unit, but I don't know the 35.
So actually, the 6 times here is what? The 6 times here is actually Daryl's age in 35 years. And what about Daryl's age now? Daryl's age now.
35.
How do you draw it out? 35.
Which one the 4? Yeah, done.
Daryl's age now is 35.
No, wrong, sorry.
Okay, what is the meaning of, why are you going to erase all? What's the meaning of this?
Sorry.
1u plus 1u plus 1u.
Done.
Okay, I think you more or less understand, but I think that there is this key key concept. You need to write it down first. Okay, can I help you out with this question? I think I will say you are 50% there. Okay, let me help you out with this question. All right, your understanding of the 6th unit is correct, but you don't know how to use the 6th unit. That's the problem. Okay, so I will help you erase your handwriting first. All right. Okay, pay attention. So once you get this right, and then questions like this, you will get it right next time. Okay, your understanding of 6 times is right. So basically, you just get 6 out, right? 6 unit out, right? Okay, which is good. Okay.
对吗？6 unit.
You get 6 unit out. This is the correct understanding. Okay. So this is 1U. Okay, probably I use different color so that you can see it better. So 1U, 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 1U. So next time when you see 6 times, right? Yeah, it's 6U. Okay. So this 6U is what? So that's why it's important that you understand what 6U. 6U is Darryl's age in 35 years. What is Darryl's age now? Darryl's age now is 1U. Okay, so Darryl's age 1U.
Yeah.
So you bring it down. You bring it down. So
I
let me
can see.
send to the back. Okay.
Wow.
So this is Darryl's age now. Okay. So above 6U is Darryl's age in 35 years. So once you have this 6U above and then 1U below, which is Darryl's age now. So where is the 35 years? Here is the 35 years.
Understand?
Here is the 35 years. Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes.
So now you look at it. So this 35 years is how many U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So with this understanding, means 5U is equal to 35 years. Okay? Can you see? Yeah? Can you see? 5U is 35. So 1U is how much? 35 divided by 5, which is 7. So what is Darryl's age now? 7, because it's 1U. So 1U equals to 7. So 7 years. Understand? Okay. So you see, you understand the most important part, which is the first part. Darryl's age in 35 years. You understand that, oh, it's 6U. Okay, so 50% you understand. But you fail to understand Darryl's age now is actually 1U. Okay?
What?
It's actually 1U. All right. So the 35 years here, right? The 35 years later is actually for the 5U here. Okay. So if let's say if I give you the similar question, I give you a similar question, I change. This is not 6 times, this is 4 times. And then this is not 35. This is 30. So what is your understanding? How do you draw? So you draw 4 unit out first. All right. So this is Darryl's age in 30 years. Okay. So Darryl's age now is 1 block. Okay. So where is the 30? Here's the 30.
Understand?
So can you see the 30 correspond to how many block? 3 block. Right? So like you say 1U, 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 1U. Okay, you see 30 years is how many U in this case? So 3U is 30 years. So 1U is 30 divided by 3. So which is 10. So Daryl's age in this case is 10. All right.
Okay.
Do you understand?
So that's how you draw the model out, so that the marker understand you, and then you can understand the question much better. All right. Okay. Let me look at your test and see if there is more interesting question.
Oh.
Over here.
Can take a
Question
No.
question 4. I think is much harder because a
No,
lot
please,
more.
please. No.
Yes. Yes. Because it's
I don't want to do this question.
a lot more words. Okay. Okay, let me take a look at it, see if I can help you out with the model. All right. So wow, 3 children. Wow, this is a very big family. So you have Leo, you have Lily, you have Lucy.
And Luca.
Okay. So Leo is oldest. Oh, Leo is oldest. So Leo is oldest means I give it the longest block for Leo, right? So yeah, Leo. I don't know how much, but I can write it down here first. Leo. Let me go. Leo. He's 20 years old now. Oh, given 20. Okay. So this statement done. So Lily and Lucy are twins. You know what's the meaning of twins or not?
Yes.
Twins means same age.
The same age.
Correct. Correct. And they are 5 years younger than Leo. So both of them 5 years younger.
I know 20 minus 5, 20 minus
Correct.
5 is equal to 15. So they are 15.
Correct. Very good. Thank you. So your calculation has no problem, right? Like I say, your calculation has no problem, which is very good. So this is Lily, and then this is Lucy. Okay, like you say, 5 years younger. 5 years younger means go back. So this is your go back. This is how 5 years. So this is 5 years. You go back, arrow back. So therefore, this is 20 minus 5, right? It's 15. So this is 20 minus 5 equals to 15.
Okay.
Now, after how many years will the sum of ages of the 3 children become 18? So that means how you do this question? They will grow at the same time, right? So they will grow at the same time means what? Means you need to add a block to each of them, the same block to each of them. So I add to Leo because they grow at the same time. I add to Lily. They also add to Lucy. And then once you have added all these, right? Once you have added all these, and then now 3 of them together will give you 80. Meaning all this will give you 80. So how can you do it better? There is one way. Just make use of the copy and paste function here. So this is Leo. I get Leo out already. Can you see? This is Leo. This is Leo. Then Lily is the second one. Just here. Okay, no, not this one. It should be below one. Copy, paste. This is Lily. Okay, looks like I need to adjust it a little bit to the left so that I have enough space. So this is about space management, like how you manage the space. So you have enough space to represent everything. So let me minimize it. Okay, good. So I draw it out like this. This is Leo. This is Lily. And at the same time, I need to bring down Lucy as well. Okay. So this is Lucy. Are you clear?
Okay.
Okay, then what you have? This Leo is 20. Okay, let me change the color. So this Leo is 20. And then Lily, the blue one is 15. And then for Lucy, the blue one is 15. Then now, if they add together, will give you 80, right? So meaning everything here is 80. Okay, are you clear? So how do you do it? How do you find the black color block, which is here? 1U, 1 U,
One U.
1 U.
One U.
Okay, so how you form the equation, the calculation is Leo is what? Leo is 20 plus U.
Yeah.
And then Lily is 15 plus U.
3 plus U.
Lucy is 15 plus U. Okay, good. You have all of them together. So add them together. So you have 20 plus U, which is Leo, plus 15 plus U, which is, this is Leo, this is Lily, and then you need to add Lucy. And then this will give you 80. Are you clear?
Okay.
You'll get 80. Then after that, what you can do, can you see? You have 20 here, you have 15 here, you have 15 here. If you add all this up, you will get how much? You add the 20, the 15 and the 15 up, you will get how much?
18.
No,
No. 30.
this is
20 plus 50 plus
Yeah.
15.
30 plus 15 plus 15. Let me think. 15.
Yes.
50.
so this is 20, then these two add together is 30, so 20 plus 30 is 50. So all the numbers add up is 50, and then the U and the U and the U, you get 3U, so it goes to 80.
Correct.
Okay, so that means 3U is equal to 30, so U is equal to 10.
Yes.
Okay, so they ask how many years will the sum, okay, after how many years? After 10 years. So that means the black color here is 10. Are you clear?
Yes. Now I'm clear.
Yeah, so basically what you need to do is you need to combine all the ages together. Okay, combine them all together. So that's how you did you get this question right? Okay, you got this right. I mean, in terms of calculation, but when it comes to the model, oh my god, I couldn't understand your model at all. So next time, I hope you can do a better job. Okay, when it comes to
Okay.
modeling. All right. Okay. Any other question for me before we conclude the day?
I still haven't said the teacher what is the 4 star and the 3 star.
Again, I didn't catch your last statement.
I didn't say to the teacher the 3 star and the 4 star.
Oh, 3 star and 4 star. Okay, good. Never mind. So okay, so it's your sister's turn. So hopefully every one of you will recover and then we get to meet face to face.
No, don't need. I got my sister name, so my sister can come here now.
Oh, okay. Don't leave. Okay, good.
老师，那个下个星期应该是可以来上课的。
可以。呀，希望大
然后
家
就是后面那道题哈，其实是挺好的。如果老师有，就是最后老师给他讲的这道题，
好。
如果有类似题的话，你就帮我多出几道给他，我看可以做。
好，我会出给他大概三题这样子，然后你应该也知道怎么去辅导他，因为就是
对。
好，谢谢你。
谢谢。
好。
然后你去做这边，我们都行。我坐这边啊，我们就打扰了。